Hi guys, today's adventure was something straight out of a dream. We decided to visit Surla Waterfall in Goa, which is around 70 kilometers from where we are staying. The drive itself was beautiful, but the real journey began once we reached the base. We had to trek around 2 kilometers through some pretty dense forest trails. Halfway through the trek, I was totally exhausted, so I found a little spot under the shade, sat down, and had some snacks. And then we finally reached our destination, a hidden paradise with a natural infinity pool that faced the majestic mountains. I couldn't believe my eyes. It honestly felt like heaven on earth. The water was crystal clear and so cold like an ice water. Untouched white that made all the effort totally worth it. And after all that fun, as soon as we started heading back, I completely knocked out in the car. I was so exhausted.